Your renovation is finally complete, but instead of enjoying your new space, you're left with dust, paint splashes, and debris everywhere. Sound familiar? Welcome to the FastKlean YouTube channel, where we help you enjoy spotless homes without the stress. Today, we're talking about something every homeowner faces after renovation, after builder's cleaning. Whether it's fine plaster dust or sticky surfaces, cleaning up after construction work is more than a quick wipe down. Before we go on, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more professional cleaning advice. Dust can hide in vents, behind radiators, and even inside cupboards. And let's be honest, most vacuums just push it around. That's why you need HEPA filters, steam cleaners, and the right technique. Always clean from top to bottom. Lingering smells, gritty floors, and itchy eyes are all signs your air isn't clean yet. And that can affect your health, especially if you have kids, pets, or allergies at home. A professional after builder's cleaning team doesn't just clean what you see. They target the hidden areas: extractor fans, filters, tile grout, and high corners. Plus, they bring the right equipment and get the job done fast, so you can enjoy your fresh new space without the mess. Want it done properly the first time? Contact FastKlean and let our trained professionals restore your home to its best. Like, share, and subscribe for more expert tips from FastKlean.